We are in a time of uncertainty. We're going into an unknown territory. It's uncharted territory, and there's probably three things. In fact, there are three things that we will probably go through, or maybe all of them: fight, flight, or freeze. So what do the great people of today, or the great people of history, how have they managed to navigate themselves through times like these, and to not suffer from any of the three F's, you can call them? I think it's very simple. They apply certain mental philosophies to help guide their thinking and therefore their actions during times of uncertainty. And if you're in any of the three F's, or if you've been through them, you can very easily relate, where your brain goes into overdrive and you're unable to think. You're consuming yourself with all the negatives, all the uncontrollables, rather than having the mental discipline to focus on what you can control and do your best at that. So if this is something that sounds of interest to you, we've designed or created the Mindset Management Toolkit. You can click on the links below, go and watch the video. There's an ebook as well that you can take and study, with a printable version of a summary of the 5 tools that we talk about in that program. If you're struggling, if you're not fully confident with where you're going and what the world's going to look like post lockdown, take a look at those, watch the video and read the book, study the book. Thanks for watching, and I hope that you are safe, that you are strong, and that you are healthy, and we will see you on the other side.